Okay, good morning, my dear students. So today's class I will start, which is very important for all of you. That is the measuring of an angle. Okay. So actually, all of you, I think, learn how to measure an angle in class 4. But again, in this class, the how can you measure an angle with protractor? That concept is given. So this concept must be clear to you. Okay, because we often see that however the students of the higher classes will get confused. They are confused how can they measure an angle. That means they have to take inner scale or outer scale. Okay, so let us see at first this one, the main thing. All of you know the name of this instrument is what? Protractor. Okay, so the use of protractor is very important in geometry. Okay, so at first look at this one, measuring an angle. Okay, so the standard unit to measure an angle is degree. The standard unit is degree, and symbol of degree is this one. Okay, degree is measured by protractor, so the instrument this is known as protractor. Okay, so look at this one, look at the protractor carefully. In this case, you see that there are two scales, one is inner scale and one is outer scale. That means, look at this one, this is the baseline. Okay, this one is a 0 point 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 10 like this. This is 180. Why 180? Because the protractor is a semicircle, and all of you know that the angle of a circle is what? 360 degree, and the angle of a semicircle, that means half of a circle, 180 degree. Again, look at this one, outer scale 0 10 20 like this, again 180. So what you see here, that in the inner scale 0 degree is equal to the 180 degree of the outer scale. In the inner scale 10 degree, which is this one, is 170, 20 like this, 90 is same here. Now the main thing is when we have to take the inner scale and when we have to take the outer scale. That is a very important point. Okay, so look at this one, use of protractor. So the first point, place the protect. At first I will read all the point. After that I will solve. Okay, place the protractor on the angle in such a way that the center of the protractor coincides with the vertex Q of the angle. So look at this one. All of you know how can an angle produced when two line segment or two line meet at a point like this. This is the ray QP or PQ, and this is the ray QR. That two ray meet at the point Q, and that is why form an angle. So now how can we measure that angle? So at first, the first point is place the protractor on the angle in such a way that the center of the protractor coincides with the vertex Q of the angle. So look at this one, center means this point. These points you have to place on this. It is given like this. Okay, now come to the second point. Now the see which degree line ray on arm QP. So look at this one, this ray is QP. This the middle point of the protractor, this one the middle point, that middle point on the connecting point of two rays, that means Q, and this baseline, with the baseline must be coincide with QR. And now we have to see that which angle line will coincide with QP. So on QP, look at this one, 70 and 100. In inner scale 70 degree and outer scale 110 lies on that. Now come to the point number 3. An important thing to note: if the angle opens towards our right, consider the 0 degree on the right, hence the inner scale. If the angle opens towards our left, consider the 0 degree on the left, hence read the outer. This is very important. This one is a very important point. Okay, so we have to see that in this case the angle is open towards right. Okay, so in this case you have to take, according to the point it is given, that you have to take. An important thing to note: if the angle opens towards our right, consider a 0 degree on the right. So look at this one, in 0 degree on the right. That means in inner scale 0 degree is on the right, and outer scale 0 degree is on the left. So in this case you have to take the inner value, that means the 70 degree. Hence the angle opens to our right, hence we read the inner scale. We find the arm QP coincide with the degree lines of 70 degrees, so PQ is 70 degrees. So that means this value is 70 degrees. So that in this way we have to measure. So the main point is this one, and again I am repeating this one. An important thing to note: if the angle opens towards our right, consider the 0 degree on the right, hence read the inner scale. If the angle open towards our left, they consider the 0 degree on the left, hence read that. So again look at this one. This is the angles towards our opens our right, that is why we take the inner scale. Okay.